Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dragonbark Sparkling Zero is crashing or crashing on startup. So here are some working solutions that players have found to work. Now the first solution is check system requirement. Ensure your system meets the minimum or recommended requirement. If your system falls below the specs, the game may struggle to run properly. Now the next solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted driver can cause crashes, especially on startup. Update your graphic card drivers, NVIDIA, AMD or Intel through their official website or using dedicated software like the GeForce Experience or AMD. Then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then verify game file. So simply open up the Steam, then click on the game, then go to your game properties. Now go to the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then disable overlays. Overlays such as Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can sometimes cause crashes. Disable them to see if the issue is resolved. Disable Steam overlay is important, and disable Discord overlay is also very important. So once you disable these overlays, simply launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then lower graphic setting. If your PC is struggling to handle the game requirement, reduce graphic setting in game, try turning off shadows, anti-aliasing, or switching to Windows mode. Then relaunch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then run the game as an administrator. So simply go to your game properties on Steam, then just click on the install file, then just click on the browse option. Now guys, here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and you will see the properties on the last. So just click on the properties. Now here just go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box and just check the box of run the program as an administrator. Then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can just check these two boxes of compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 and also disable full screen optimization. Then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. And if your problem is still not fixed, then disable background programs. Some background application can interfere with the game performance. So make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, so simply open it. Guys, here simply close all unnecessary background application. So make a right click on all of these that are useless, then just click on the end task. Now the next solution is update Windows. So ensure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes missing Windows update can cause compatibility issues with the game. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then reinstall the game as a last resort. Uninstall and reinstall the game to ensure no corrupted files are causing the issue. Then simply restart your PC, then launch the game and try all of the solution. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.